James, Master Instructor of the Ding King Training Institute here in Southern California. And with me, I've got 3 grads that have just got through our 5-week, our 6-week, our 12-week, and soon to be 4-week class. You're doing 2 weeks this time around, and you're going to come back and do another 2 weeks here in about a month or so. So these guys came through our PDR course. You went through windshield, you went through wheels, what else? Headlight, odor.
Headlight, interior repair. Also did a little bit of paint correction and coating. Also, yeah, odor removal. That was really fun.
Now, Eric and Tom came to us. You guys decided to use your Pulse 911 GI Bill, right? And you know, the Ding King's recently been approved to start. Well, not recently, but approved to start accepting the Pulse 911 GI Bill along with all the other chapters and vocational rehabilitation. Now, both of you guys decided to exercise and use that. Now, is that how was that process for you guys? Was it a fairly easy process? Was it something that was difficult? How did that process go?
You want to go first?
For me, the Post 911 GI Bill was super easy. I mean, all I did was like call up the Ding King, talk to Cher, and she did everything. So basically, I didn't have to do anything. So it's very simple. The Ding King took care of everything. So.
Yeah, it was the same for me. Pretty much within Michelle and I's first conversation, I had sent her my DD-214, and I was pretty much done. After that, like that was all I had to do, and then I was getting my tools.
Now, how soon after your guys' your initial like call and so on? How soon after that were you guys enrolled into the program? How soon after did you start?
For me, the available date was like a week, after. So.
Okay.
But I didn't come until like I think two weeks after because I have something going on.
Yeah.
So it's very fast.
Well, for you, so pretty.
Yeah, for me it was really soon. To see here, like I remember it was on a weekend, some weird time of the night on Sunday. Mm-hmm. I visited the website. By Monday, I was talking to Michelle, and I was enrolled. I think maybe 2 weeks later. Mm-hmm. So it was very fast, very soon, and like it was a great, smooth process.
Now we'll come back to you because I have a question too about how you started, because you actually started out doing our online PDR course before you came out. But Anthony, so you were sent out here. You know, your body shop that you work for, they sent you out here along with one of your coworkers, Chris, also, right? How was your 2 weeks here, and what was your experience like so far?
It's been pretty well. I've learned a lot more than I thought I would have in the time span that I've been here. I took a while to pick up on things, break old habits of doing collision, and learning new habits and tricks and tips on that's going to benefit me with my collision work as well as doing PDR work.
And I know now, like going back, you got a text from Chris a couple minutes ago saying you're going back right away to some hail work you've got, right? You got some stuff lined up right away. He's already working on it. He graduated 2 weeks ago, right before you started. And I know he's coming back also, so that's going to be some good work for you to get right back into.
About 40 hours worth of it.
Good experience. Now, for all 3 of you guys, before you came out here, did you guys have any experience pushing on dents? Aside from, because I know, Tom, you've done some, you went to another school, but the main focus was more so the body tech side of it, right? And that side of it, not necessarily PDR. But for the 3 of you guys never really worked with anything PDR related, right?
No, not really.
No.
Now, how was that coming into it? Like just brand new, never touching a tool before?
I think for me it was better that way.
Yeah.
I got to start from a clean slate. Pretty much. I like it because I'm not starting with any bad habits. Like I can correct a lot, and though the learning curve is, pretty steep, it's very satisfying for me. So it was rough, but I still liked it.
Yeah. What about for you, Tom?
For me, I get used to, for the collision side, for the tools, you can pick it up right away, But for PDR, I haven't done any PDR, I haven't pushed any dent. But the thing is, like, when I look at all the tools, the PDR tools, it looked so confusing to me at the beginning. I didn't like, you know, all color coded, you know, different type of rods and, you know,
Different bends
different
and
bands.
tips.
And I like, oh,
How's
which-
this sharp stuff gonna make a dent smooth?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
like that's the biggest confusing at first,
Yeah.
and then for the collision side, I got used to, you know, the hammer and dolly,
Mm-hmm.
and I like so a couple of times I was looking for a dolly.
A dolly or the DA somewhere, right?
Yeah.
When you go on to that side. Now, what about for you?
You know, it's a little different. I didn't have, you know, icing to rely on. I couldn't get it to 80%
Yeah.
and then glaze it over and send it to paint. No,
Yeah.
you have to get it to that 95 to 99%, almost perfect, before you could send it back to your customer. It's a completely different task at hand than before I started doing PDR work.
Now I know probably about you know, almost a year ago now, we went into this big, you know, global pandemic that, you know, that we're going through here, and the Dinking, along with like other businesses, had to really adjust their business plan and what they were going to do to kind of stay open and keep doors open and still keep, you know, business flowing and students and so on. And one thing we did is we adjusted and we added on to our training curriculum like a pre-repair, an online PDR training course. And I know Eric you were one of the not candidates, but you were one of the students who actually went through that, right? And you had an
Yeah.
opportunity to take our online PDR course. Now, how did that work for you? Did you see that actually helped when you started that first Monday, or was it still something totally new for you?
That actually helped, and I guess that's what I was referring to in the previous question. That actually helped a lot because, you know, when I first got the kit, you know, of course, you know, like Tom was saying, you look at the tools, all these different, like, you don't know what you're looking at. But then I was on the phone, got in contact with Lee Roth got in contact with me, and he pretty much walked me through the basics of, you know, our tap down drills and, you know, the line drill, you know, those first 3 lessons that I learned. And that really helped when I got here. It helped me get acclimated a lot faster. So I feel like maybe if I wouldn't have done the online portion, that learning curve would have been, you know, a little steeper, you know. But it was great. I mean, I liked it. It was the modules were real easy to understand, and you know, just like with here, your biggest obstacle will be yourself, and, you know, just being patient with yourself.
Oh, good. Well, you know, just want to say thank you guys for, you know, obviously selecting the Dinking. Thank you. Actually, before that, thank you guys you two both for your service. You know, and then second, thank you guys for selecting the Dinking, coming out here. Good luck to you guys on your journey, on your future plans with Paintless Dent repair and all the other systems with odor and, you know, detailing. You already do detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating. You know, good luck to you guys in your businesses. I know, Tom, I'll be seeing you again. You know, you're local, I'm sure, and I know Anthony will be seeing you here soon. You know, but to you guys out there, if you guys ever have any questions, you guys feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call at 1-800-304-3464. If you're a vet, if you have any questions about our Post 9/11 GI Bill and all the other chapters we accept, or the vocational rehabilitation, reach out to share@thedingking.com or Michelle@thedingking.com, or look us up on the web at thedingking.com also. Give us a call, 1-800-304-3464. Head on over to Facebook. Look us up at the Dinking Training Institute, or on Instagram on our official Dinking Instagram page. And for myself and these guys here, thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you guys again.